So here's a little unboxing. If you get your stencil from Base Stencil, it'll come in a package like this. Hopefully it won't be returned from Japan. It's one of the 20 views of Mount Fuji, and if we do it right, it should look something like that. Now we're going to use 4 blues here, but you can also easily use grays or blacks. Okay, so we decided to try to do this on dark background. So what we used is layers 1, 2, 3, and 4 instead of 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can see Mount Fuji in the background, and you have a few lines here that are a little bit distracting, and I think I would just cut these bridges out of the white layer. Probably cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this would be a lot cleaner stencil.